Changing your WhatsApp username is simple if the feature is available on your account. First, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then open WhatsApp and tap three-dot menu. Then click Settings. Then go to Account and tap Username. You will see your current username. Tap it to edit or change it. Enter the username you want to use. If the username is already taken by someone else, WhatsApp will ask you to choose a different one. Keep trying until you find an available username. When you see the confirmation that username is available, tap Save to update it. Your username should be easy to remember and unique. Avoid using personal information like your phone number, home address or password in your username. If you use WhatsApp for business, choosing username that matching your business or brand name is a good idea. If you do not the username option yet, don't worry. WhatsApp is rolling out of this feature gradually, so it may not be available for everyone at the same time. Keep your app updated and check again later. Once available, you can change your username whenever need to following WhatsApp username rules. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.